Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing criminal proceedings and visa issues associated therewith. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post. That's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Anutin Rules Out Fair's Visa Appeal. For those who are unaware, this is the so-called beach bully case involving a Swiss person who's been accused of assault. There's issues associated with property encroachment, land, real estate encroachment, all kinds of stuff. I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article in detail. Follow the links inside. A lot of information there. That said, quoting directly in the thrust of this article, or excuse me, the thrust of this video, Interior Minister Anutin Charnvirakul said that he would not consider any appeal made by a Swiss man whose visa was revoked for allegedly kicking a doctor in Phuket. Quote, does anyone not want to see his visa revoked? Not this prime minister, unquote, Mr. Anutin said during a visit to Sisaket yesterday. Police Major General Songprot has said he will be allowed to stay in Thailand on bail to defend his case in court. However, Mr. Anutin said the court case will not be used as an excuse for Mr. Fair to regain his business visa. Quote, the court case can continue, unquote, he said. It has nothing to do with the visa issue. Yeah, getting more to the point here, you got to understand, immigration matters do not necessarily have anything to do with legal matters. So, as noted in that article, apparently the Interior Minister is really, for lack of a better term, kind of out to get, I shouldn't say out to get, but basically it's been determined that this person is someone they don't want to issue a new visa to, and notwithstanding what occurs or what transpires in the course of this criminal proceeding, it looks like that a visa is not going to be issued regardless of the outcome in those proceedings. Now, that said, look, at the end of the day, immigration does have the prerogative to do that if they deem someone basically to be a danger to public safety here in Thailand. There's a number of ways they can exercise their discretion to go about doing that. The point of this video is to get people to understand that, look, there is a big difference between legal proceedings and immigration proceedings. They operate under two different, they operate under the auspices of two different ministries to begin with, Ministry of Justice versus Ministry of Interior, and they also deal with completely different bodies of law. Primarily, when we're talking about immigration matters, we're talking about the Immigration Act of 1979. Meanwhile, criminal matters, for example, are going to operate under the Criminal Code. Not going to go too far into the high weeds on delineating the differences there, but just understand the outcome in the criminal proceeding may not have any bearing whatsoever on a negative outcome, for example, in an immigration proceeding.